So, it's the 6th of June, and you know what that means. It's D-Day? Well, yes, but what I was more referring to was, it's the anniversary of the YMCA being founded. Yes, but you're not getting it. What I mean was, it's your turn on the toilet cleaning rotor at work. Yes, but listen to me, just a second. It's Meg Norris' birthday! Oh, that! God, I knew I forgot something. What is that? Right, Gilt Ferry, is that you making that noise? No, I've been too busy practicing this. What? It's a Norris birthday as well, you know. Would you go with your broken rotten toe? What do you do when they're left over you? And how do you know when to let go? Where's the good go? Where's the good go? Look me in the eye and tell me you'll find me attractive. Look me in the heart and promise you don't go. Look me in the eye and promise no love's like our love. Look me in the heart and I'll break broken. It won't happen. It's love that leads and breaks the seal of always thinking you would be real happy and healthy, strong and calm. Where's the good go? Where's the good go? What do you do when you're in love and the world knows? How do you live so happily while I am sad and broken down? Well, you say it's up for grabs while you're on your way down. Where's the good go? Where's the good go? Look me in the eyes and tell me you don't find me attractive. Look me in the heart and tell me you won't go. Look me in the eyes and promise no love's like our love. Look me in the heart and I'll break broken. It won't happen. It's love that leaves and breaks the seal of always thinking you will be real happy and healthy, strong and calm. Where's the good go? Where's the good go? Look me in the eye and tell me you'll find me attractive. Look me in the heart and tell me you won't go. Look me in the eye and promise no love's like our love. Look me in the heart and I'll break broken. It won't happen. It's love that leaves and breaks the seal of always thinking you will be real happy and healthy, strong and calm. Where's the good go? 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 Look me in the eye and tell me you don't find where you can go. Look me in the heart, good go. You don't go. Where's the good go? Look me in the eye and promise no love's like our love. Look me in the heart and I'll break broken. It won't happen. Where's the good go? Okay, so probably not the best version of that song you've ever heard, but I promise you I did try my best in the edits to get it looking as presentable as possible. And also, holy shit, was that a bass? Yes, this is a bass. Although it's not mine. It's Meg's. What, you don't believe me? DFTBA record sticker? Hype Dragon logo on the scratch plate, and an inspirational quote on the back that says, "First say what you would be, then do what you have to do." Epicurus. I think it's in contempt of question, her bass. Unfortunately, Meg, you're going to have to come here to claim it, because couriering it to you would probably cost more than the base did. But happy birthday. I hope you enjoy this little birthday offering I've given you. Why, I hear you ask, has the lighting changed? Well, that's not important. Why have I done this? Well, Meg, it's my belief that in this life there are things that if you have the impetus to do them, expand into rewards beyond themselves. I know, and so do you, that playing an instrument not only brings happiness and fulfillment to you, it also expands into rewards beyond itself. If you have the impetus to do it. And that's all I feel I'm doing here. I'm providing the impetus. Also, my apologies, but I did also send off a little package of goodies to you. You probably won't have received them by the time you see this video, if I can ever get it edited and up online. But it is heading to you, and I hope you enjoy everything that's in there as well. But happy birthday, Meg. You deserve it. Also, Meg, given what I know about your taste in music, it was either this or the Spice Girls, and I'm sorry, but there's some things I won't do, even for you. I've had to shoot this in increments throughout the day, because of noise levels and whatnot going on. So if it looks like I've been, trapped in a temporal anomaly for the duration of this video, more or less correct, yeah. Right, I'm going to go and have a cup of tea and start editing now, and I really hope I haven't permanently crippled myself from all of that instrument playing. Once again, Meg, happy birthday. I hope you have a good one.